Hello everyone. I hope you guys are doing great and welcome to this video. So in this particular YouTube video, I'm going to discuss how we can create a custom GPT. It's based on our own data set, but for simplicity, I'm not going to put any data set into it, but I'll show you guys how to create it and how you can train it on your own data set. So once you'll go to ChatGPT's website, but a disclaimer, you guys do need ChatGPT Plus subscription to make sure that you guys do have it. So right after this, you will go into the explore page. So you can see that I have a lot of custom GPTs with me, 8 to be exact. So once you will click on this explore page, you can see there is a create a GPT button here. So you'll click on it and it will, navigate you to create your GPT. So I'll just move myself here so that, easily we can navigate here. So here, this is GPT builder. Okay. So in this, you will have to specify how you want to create your GPT. Okay. So for example, I'll, create a GPT builder helper. I know it's a very, vague one, but yeah, it should guide me, how to create a custom GPT. So it's just a custom GPT that I'm creating. It's GPT builder helper GPT. So it should guide me how to create a custom GPT. So yeah. So it will just do its magic. We'll say updating GPT, as you guys can see, and it will create a GPT for us. So just wait for it. Like it will take some 5 to 10 minutes. It can take more, but depending on the type or instruction that you get. Mine is very basic one because I just want to demonstrate to you guys how it's being done. Yeah. So it will say GPT behavior updated. So for GPT, we are creating our just name GPT guide. I think it works. So it will, it will write you, starting statement, as you can see in GPT 3.5 and 4. You already have these, conversation starters there. So in this, like, an expert guide for creating custom GPTs, offering clear advice and support. Yeah, this is what we want. It actually, it's smart enough to, write these description and everything for us. Yeah. So this name is looking nice, like GPT Builder Guide. I'll just take it. Yes, I'll write yes. So it will, take that name. And right after that, it will create a, custom profile picture for it. So see, it's right, saying generating profile picture. So it will create a, profile picture for this particular GPT. Yeah, just wait for it to, generate it. And then we are done with it. So I'll show you guys how you can train it on your own data set also. Just wait for it to be finished and I'll show you guys how it's done. So don't worry. It will take some time, like usually take some time, but yeah. And here is, profile picture of GPT Builder Guide. Actually quite nice. Builder helper. Yeah, I'll just take it, keep it. And just write keep it and it will keep it and now it's done. We are done with it. So it will ask you a few questions about the GPT behavior and how you want it to be. For example, do you want it to focus on technical detail of GPT creation or do you want more, creative aspects to be included in? So it's personal opinion how you want to, and it's your own, like how you want your GPT to behave. It's on you. And, even it will, update by itself also. It will write updating GPT. So if you'll not provide an answer, it will, have a general guideline for itself. It will just create it. Yeah, it's just, updating GPT. So, let it update and then I'll show you how we'll go to this configure button and, we can upload our own data set for it. So, now let's think about how should emphasize or what it should avoid. So these things I'm not currently focusing on. You can make it very specific. And I have made very specific GPTs. I'll show you guys later. So first you can go to, configure and here you can write custom GPT guide. So yeah, custom GPT guide. So expert in expert in guiding GPT creation, balancing technical and creative advice. It's written, it even have instructions for it. And these, as I've told, conversation starters, it has already generated. So here you can see you can enable code interpreter, DALI image generator, web browsing, and knowledge. So here it is the most interesting part for it. You can upload your own data set in it, like upload files. You can upload your data set, and on this data set, this custom GPT will be, trained if you specify it like that. So you can upload files on it. You can just click on it. It will open. I'll just click on it. It will tell me to load files, and I'll just upload it, and it will, be trained on that data. And you can add actions on it also, like any schema or URL that you want, like let your GPT take instructions or information or take advices outside of GPT. So you can, have all kind of data pipelines that you want to create. So see, this is created. Now, if I want to publish it at some places, we can just do this. If you want only people with link to access it, you can click on it. Otherwise, you want it to appear on the GPT store that is coming really soon. You can just click on public and confirm. It will, just be in that GPT store when it releases, and you can, share this link. Like you can just, copy link, and this link you can send it to someone. And if he has, be sure that he has GPT Plus subscription, then only he can, use this one. So yeah. And I've created some GPTs of my own, one for research, one for podcasts that I want to, add some summaries for, then Song GPT for playlist creation, then Book GPT, and Social Media Manager GPT, Data GPT. So since I'm working as a data analyst, I have been doing freelancing, and I have this channel of mine also, our startup, Shivai. In that also, I have to do data scientist and data analytics works. So it is, kind of my persona that I wanted to emphasize. And also it has, all the knowledge of GPT. So these things are there. Designer GPT for creating, visuals for myself, and writer GPT since I'm very, proficient blog writer at Medium. So I use it for advices on my blogs and, doing kind of, any grammatical errors that I make, it will help me correct it, and, tone setting and stuff. So yeah, quite interesting. So you can just, interact with this GPT, like what are you and what you can do. Just for example, I'm asking it. Okay. So it will just give me a response. Remove myself here. So see, hello, I'm a custom GPT guide, a specialized version of ChatGPT. My primary role is to assist you in creating and refining custom versions of GPTs that is generated pre-trained transformer models, and it will give you a brief what it can do. So yeah, since I have been, very generic, I made this one just for, showing you guys how to create it. So hence it's like that, but you can, make it very specific. So yeah, that's how it goes. I hope you guys, enjoyed this tutorial. It's very fast one. Wanted to show you guys how to create it. And yeah, in this video description, I'll be putting links to all these custom GPTs that I've created. And also I've written one Medium blog, which goes, in how I created this designer.gpt, sorry, not dot, designer GPT. So how I've created it, I've written fully in Medium blog also for my blog lovers. I know you guys are out there. So yeah, I've written it like that also. So whichever you prefer, video is this one. You can see the article also. So I'll put a link for it, that also in the description. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.